Good morning, good afternoon. I am here to apply for the position of Operation Section Nurse. So, the, the number one question is tell me about a situation in which you had to deal with a difficult person. How did you handle the situation? I handled the situation by talking properly with proper communication and talk to him or her to a peaceful place like a restaurant, either a library, or either at our or my house. So, the number two question is what would be your ideal work environment? So, my ideal work environment is I'm a more unique and clean guy. Like I want to be I want my ideal work environment is to be a quiet place, good good lighting, peaceful place, the fresh one, fresh places like at a garden or a library. Yes, like those. The number three question is tell me about a coworker to describe you. What would he or she say? Or if I ask your current supervisor to describe you, what he or she would say? So if a coworker or my boss describe me to you, she or he would say that I'm a good or delicate worker. I work pressure under or overtime. I like to work overtime sometimes when I don't have nothing to do and sometimes help other workers with their work, especially if they're on leave or if they if they if they needed help of their work because we are all human beings trying to trying to build trying to gain a wonderful life and a stable job and to be emotionally and financially stable. So and so like what I said, I work under pressure, like overtime. I like to work a lot. I like to work at home, especially in the office. Like hard times when people are busy. Like when someone asks me, like boss, or like a boss asks me, like, yo, can I can I borrow some help from you? And I would like, yeah, say, yeah, boss, sure. What will you need to be in my help? So yes, I will help him with the documents, files, datas, informations, the codes or anything that is superficial or classified files. Yes. Sometimes I help also to the higher positions like CEO, manager, co-CEO. Yes, I sometimes help them because why not? They they doesn't that doesn't mean that they're even though they're higher higher level, that doesn't mean they are not that good. Yes. So the last question is why do you think you are the best candidate for this position? Why do I think that I am the best candidate for this position? Because I have a experience on operating a a human being. I have I have 70 to 74 hours or 75 hours of experience in the surgical room. I also know all the equipments in the surgical room, and also I can work like for like not even like an hour, or exactly give me like 30 minutes. I will finish that in 30 minutes. Depends on the situation, on having the patient. Depends on the situation on the patient. So I hope I get the position, and thank you. Goodbye.